Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a quick DIY. Fall is around the corner, so I just wanted to do something warm and simple and reasonable. So what you're going to be needing is two toilet paper rolls, which I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I think you get 4 for $1. Just some type of like leaf. I actually picked these out of our garden. Probably you'll need 3 of them. I'm using a corkscrew from or a wine cork, and also some newspaper, and I actually purchased these different cloth from the not from the Dollar Tree, from Walmart, and they actually come in. So they come in. It's called the fat quarter, and you get 2, if I'm not mistaken, 2 of these quarters, or maybe just 1. I can't remember. And they're like $1 or like 98 cents or something. So really cheap. So altogether, I probably spent $3 Okay. So first, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna keep one toilet paper roll the same. So we're just gonna keep this one to the side. And the second one, I'm actually going to cut it in half. So if you have a bread, like a bread knife, which would work better, so it doesn't, rip the whole thing apart. So I'm going to cut that. Voila, did that. So I did it more instead of in half. I did it more because I wanted to have them 3 different levels. So I have the large one, the medium size one, and then the small one, like so. And then so the first one, I'm going to wrap some newspaper around it.